Hi everyone, my name is Odon Cosmos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a separate page for your blog post. In my previous video I talked about how to have all your blogs on your homepage. After watching this video, you'll be able to create a separate page for blog posts. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. First we log into our website. Now, this is my website, sarcosmosworld.com. When you log in to my website, this is what you see. You see all my blog posts on my main page or my display page. Whenever you log into my website, as you can see, first point says 10 things that can destroy relationship, 7 psychological tricks that works on girls, what men want in a woman, and so on and so forth. If you scroll, you keep seeing more posts, but we don't want these blogs to be on this display page. All we need to do is to create a separate page where we can be able to access or see these blogs. Now to do that, we log into our back end. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that as we move forward to be able to create those changes. Now let's go to settings. Under settings, you go to reading. It's loading. Now there's something I want you to notice. Right, we are in it. Now you see your homepage display is on what? Your latest post. That means our latest post is what is going to be displayed on our homepage. But we don't want that. We want to create a separate page for our blog post. All we need to do is move this to a static page. Move this, click on this, and then for your homepage, you kindly select home, and also for your post page, you select your blog, so that any write-up you have in any blog you'll be posting, it will go straight to your blog post other than being at the home page. Now let's save these changes we've done. Save changes. So basically that's how you'll be able to create these changes. But before we conclude, we'll wait for it. Now we've seen the changes. Let's go to our website and see if actually our changes have taken place. Now this is our website and this is what we want to change to a separate page. And let's refresh this homepage and see. Yes, fantastic. Now we now have our home page as our display page. You can see it's looking beautiful and it's looking okay. So this is how you can be able to separate your blog post to a separate page. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and also leave a comment in the comment section below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.